Today, we're diving into the Nutcracker 6x8 stamp set, a holiday favorite that's full of festive fun. This set includes 16 adorable images featuring everything from graceful ballerinas and our dashing mouse kings to nutcracker soldiers, a classic holiday accent like a candy cane, snowflake, presents. But that's not all. These stamps have coordinating dies sold separately. That makes it super easy to cut out each image and bring dimension to your project. No more fuzzy cutting, just stamp, die cut, and ready to go. To make your holiday crafting even easier, this Nutcracker collection also has an option to purchase not only the coordinating die, but also coordinating pattern paper and ephemera pieces of the stamp images, cutting out all of the coloring and the die cutting and straight to crafting. And check this out, there's even a Nutcracker Sprinkle mix. So when you combine the Nutcracker stamp set, the coordinating die, the pattern paper, ephemera, and the sprinkle mix, you've got everything you need to create a stunning holiday cards. Whether you're crafting cards for a friend and family or creating unique holiday decors, this Nutcracker collection has everything you need to make it easy, festive, and fun. Grab yours today and let the holiday magic begin.